Good morning, everybody. How are ya? It's Thursday, November 3rd, and we have no shout-outs today, not a one. And for the song today, we're going to go way back. I mean, way back. This song first appeared, they think, in the mid-17th century, somewhere in around 1656, something like that. It's an old Scottish-British murder ballad, although there's evidence of this song in the Norse countries as well, in Scandinavia. The story goes, Two Sisters, which was one of the titles of this song, Two Sisters, we're both vying for the same man, and the one sister got so jealous that she murdered her sister. And I'll just let you listen to the song because it tells the story rather than me tripping over my tongue and telling you the story. But this song has been sung by many people over the years, as you could well imagine. 1650, hundreds of people have done it. It's now a traditional folk song, and it's got a couple of titles. One, it's been called Two Sisters, Wind and Rain, Oh, the Dreadful Wind and Rain. It's just it's a sad song, sad story, but it has some beauty to it as well. And here it is, Wind and Rain. If you want to hear a version of it, you could listen to Gillian Welch do it. You could listen to Jerry Garcia do it on one of his acoustic albums. A group called Crooked Still, who are kind of a bluegrass kind of feel band with female vocalists. So here's Wind and Rain. There were two sisters of County Clare, oh, the wind and rain. Yeah, one was dark and the other was fair, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And they both had a love of the miller's son, oh, the wind and rain. Yeah, he was fond of the fairer one, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. So she pushed her sister in the river to drown, oh, the wind and rain. And she watched her as she floated down, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And she floated till she came to the miller's pond, oh, the wind and rain. Dead on the water like a golden swan, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And as she came to rest on the riverside, oh, the wind and rain. And her bones were washed by the rolling tide, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And along that road came a fiddler fair, oh, the wind and the rain. Found her bones just a-lying there, cried, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. So he made a fiddle peg of her long finger bone, oh, the wind and the rain. Yeah, he made a fiddle peg of her long finger bone, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And he strung his fiddle bow with her long yellow hair, oh, the wind and the rain. Strung his fiddle bow with her long yellow hair, cried, oh, the dreadful wind wind and rain. And he made a fiddle, fiddle of her breastbone. Oh, the wind and the rain. Oh, he made a fiddle, fiddle of her breastbone. Cried, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. But the only tune that the fiddle could play was, oh, the wind and the rain. Yeah, the only tune that the fiddle would play was, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Yeah, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Wind and rain. And they also say that story, a lot of times it's a king's daughters. And there's a third one who's kind of in the mix as well. And when the fiddle plays, it will only play that one tune, and it plays by itself. The fiddler doesn't have to play it. So a lot of mystical stuff going on. But what a pretty song, even though it's sad. And that's your song for your day today. Hope everything's going well and your week is moving along this first week in November. So take care of yourself, stay safe, and keep on the sunny side, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.